I've been investing $50 every week into the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 2 years, 5 months, and 2 weeks now. So far, I've achieved a solid 32.6% return rate. If you are curious about how dollar cost averaging and long-term investing can help you succeed in the stock market, check out this update on my portfolio from the past 2 weeks. You'll find it helpful. We covered the market's unbelievable rally over the election week, then we saw a 2.1% pullback the week after. Now normally, a drop like that might make some investors panic, but when it comes after a 4% surge, it's more like catching your breath. This week, we're back up another 1.7%. With October's inflation data hitting expectations and the consumer confidence in November ticking higher, it feels like the market is gearing up for a strong finish to 2024. If you've been following this series, you know I don't bother trying to time the market, but positive market sentiment definitely makes those weekly investments easier. Last week, I bought my $50 VOO around 2:30 p.m. on Monday. This week, it was around 11:30 a.m. on Tuesday. So far, I've built up a 15.2 shares of VOO with a total market value of $84.21. My profit is currently sitting at $2,071, which comes out to a 32.6% return rate. Here's an overview of my entire investing journey so far. The past 2 weeks brought some market volatility and my return dipped slightly from the all-time high. But hey, I'm still up over $2,000. Remember, investing isn't about chasing quick wins, so no complaints here. If you are new to investing and want to give a shot with a small starting fund, why not join me on this journey? All it takes is just $50 a week, a little bit of consistency, and some patience. If I can do it, you can do it even better. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.